First log into the website. After that visit the website. From here the page you wish to edit, go to that page. Let's say it's iPad reparation. This is the page we have with all the devices. Now if you wish to edit, right click on edit Elementor, open link in new tab. Now you can go to device by device. Here is all the list of the devices. So if you wish to add another row or another device, simply right click on a column, duplicate, or right click on the column, delete. Or we can add another row. This is section, right click on it, duplicate. Now you can change the device name. If you wish to delete any row, click on this cross. Now all the feature of these devices you will find if you scroll down. So when all the list of the devices end, here is the device details is started. Simply if you wish to change the price, click on the price, mark the price you wish to change, put the new price, it's all same. You need to just go to the device details, change the price or change text. You will find all the listed devices here. So if you wish to add device, you need to do two things. First thing is the device on the list here, and second thing is add a device details for that. So scroll down to bottom, copy a section, duplicate a section, right click, duplicate. This is the duplicated sections. Change the device name, whatever you wish to change. Click on edit section, go to advanced, put an ID, CSS ID. Let's say if it's iPad Pro 12, put it without a space. This ID will need to go on the device name where we added the list. Let's say for this one, if this is the new one, you see this is the ID. So put link with hash, then the device ID that we added. After that, changing everything, hit update. That's it. So I'm undoing all the changes I did. Just reload it and it will undo because I didn't update. So you need to update after making all the changes.